Good morning, Sila Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sila Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Sila familia, y bienvenidos al noticiero Wolf TV.
I am Daniela.
Y yo soy Alía.
Happy Monday, December 4th.
Feliz lunes, diciembre 4. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now back to our host.
Well, please welcome Samantha for the weather report.
Happy Monday, Sila Wolves. It's currently 48 degrees and partly cloudy. This afternoon, it will be 65 degrees and sunny. Now back to our host. Thanks for the weather report.
Please welcome Francisco with the lunch menu.
Today's lunch menu is chicken nuggets and mac and cheese breadstick, steamed broccoli, baked potato wedges, and a variety of fruits. Now back to our host.
Today's positive affirmation is,
A ripple of kindness can be moved around the world.
today is A-Day. I am Daniela.
Y yo soy Alía.
Have a great day, Sila Wolves.
¡Hasta luego!
So I'll see you later, alligator. At the wild crocodile, toodaloo kangaroo, manana iguana. I see you around like a donut.